it may be useful to share our experience and views on some obvious management myths that we are dealing with and some concerns about the two major challenges, in my view, which are staring at us at our face. The first, how to scale up rapidly, and number two, competitiveness. It's important to reflect that the process of economic development has just started. Economic prosperity has not touched the lives of millions of our fellow Indians. We are on the side of the hill, nowhere near the top. The challenges that we have met so far, they pale in comparison to the challenges that lie ahead. Because the global economic situation remains uncertain. And what today seems like a perfect takeoff weather could suddenly turn turbulent at short notice. Taking note of these uncertain times and what industry must do to prepare and benefit from the changes taking place around us in the economic landscape, our former President Abdul Kalam recently in an ACMA conference said, "A nation's economic development is powered by competitiveness, and competitiveness is powered by knowledge power. Knowledge power is powered by technology and innovation, and technology and innovation are powered by appropriate resource investment and its productive use." He went on to explain this till he came and said, "Quality and value of products is powered by employee productivity and innovation. And employee productivity in turn is powered by employee loyalty. Employee loyalty in turn is powered by employee satisfaction, which is powered by his working environment. And working environment is powered by management innovation, and management innovation is powered by creative leadership. Therefore, for success in any endeavor, it is essential to have creative leadership. Creative leadership means exercising the vision to change the traditional role, and I draw your special attention, to change the traditional role from commander to coach, manager to mentor, from director to delegator, and from one who demands respect to one who facilitates self-respect in his team members. For enhancing national value, India needs a large number of creative leaders from all professional and industry cadres." That was Dr. Abdul Kalam for you.